Hi guys, so yeah, couple of weeks have passed because, you know, life. I was on the trip and, you know, job and family and stuff like that. So we are going back to our carbs. If you remember, we have a problem, we don't have firing on cylinder 1. And judging by your comments and some guys I talked to, my friend Damir, that I, you know, send the greetings from Zagreb, all points to needle in carburetors. Okay, let's see, is that really the case and why we are at it. Let's change the needle seat and let's change the rubbers. But what we need to do first is remove the carburetors for, I don't know, this is like 4th time that we will remove it. So yeah, I'm getting sick of removing the carbs, but it's not such a big job. Let's do it. Off the camera I changed the gasket on this one. I can show you on the next one. That is this small rubber that is in really shitty state right now. And we'll put the new one. But this is from the same set, so I have 2 of those. And to be frank with you, I cannot remember where the second one should go. So this the smallest O-ring, I suppose, go on the mixture screw, but I really don't know. Let's see. I don't get this mesh. With the new kit, so I need to reuse the old one. Look clean there. Okay, so about the gasket and how to put it on. First, I use some grease just to help me, stick it to the surface. Right. Okay. And then the trick is that you put it as best as you can, like this. And then just put it in the groove as much as you can, but you practically cannot achieve to gasket to be in the groove all the way. But the trick is when you put it on, you use your hands, to wiggle it a little bit, and if you don't feel resistance anywhere, you just bolt 2 screws diagonally of each other. Best way is to use the hands to feel there's something resisting under there or not. And then when you just screw these 2, then you can let go and put the other 2. So don't reach for the perfect sit in the groove. It's simply when you put it on flat surface, it find his way in. But this is the last one, so everything here is done. I'll put now mixture screws. I've put the new rubbers, and as I said, I really don't know where this 4th rubber is going, but frankly I'm not in the mood to investigate right now. I want to see, did I solve my problem? Okay, so we have a gas, O-ring. All the way I thought gasket, O-ring. And we'll change this one too. Here we go. Yeah. So this, the smallest one, isn't from the mixture screw, but it's so the same one that go let me see. Yes. Yeah, so I don't know where the smallest one is going. If you know, guys, let me know. Some mixture screws have, a small rubber down under it, under the mixture screw, but these carburetors actually don't have that. I looked it up in the service manual, and for GT550 it's 2 turns out, so half, one and a half, 2. I don't think we solved the issue. Oh, motherfucker. Now you can see together there is no combustion in the engine. See, the spark plug is working, but nothing. Yeah, what can I say? Live and learn. I will try more, but I must say I'm discouraged right now. I really don't know what to do. Um, I'm really not sure what can be cause of this. Yeah. See you next time. I'll try to figure something out. If you have help for me, please put it in the comments. Bye.